Hi guys, I'm back. It's been 8 months since I uploaded my last video, and in the past few months I just found out I really lack of foundation in any of my arts. So I just need to time out from YouTube. It's been a hard time for me cause I only doing this for my hobby and I don't enroll in any art class. So I need a lot of time just doing research like how to draw this and how to draw that. It turns out that I improved so much just in 8 months. Now I learned so much from the anatomy and value of colors. I really want to give you guys some tips and tricks to improve your art and of course to learn together in art and grow to caring and supportive community. So this is how my old art looks like. You can see at the left, and this is my new art. It's on my right. So you can see the difference there. Now I'm more on the realistic stylus art. Now I'm gonna continue making more videos in YouTube like time-lapse, tutorial how to draw, tips and trick, what brushes do I use, and maybe I'll try to live in Twitch if you guys want to see like step by step how I usually draw. And as you can see, I'm a VTuber now. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind to show my face on camera, but some of you may find this channel by knowing this Pulsion character. So I make his 3D animation just to make you guys more comfortable here. Okay, to wrap it up, there's going to be shoutout in every videos, cause I think shoutout is very important to new artists to get to know by the world out there. Okay, to get your account shoutout, you need to subscribe to this channel and follow me in Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description below. Don't forget to DM me so I can know what post going to be highlighted on the shoutout. The shoutout is going to be in my Instagram story and my video in YouTube. So hurry up cause there's going to be a lot of shoutout. And that's my video for today. Thank you for all you guys who stayed here even when I'm gone, and I will see you in my next video.